So why self-sufficiency matters? I think there's quite a few reasons, but the main ones I can think of are business agility. When your users can independently build reports, update models, analyze the data without vendor support, you can respond to changes in business conditions, business priorities much quicker. And things like acquiring a new company or restructuring your organization, things like that. Or just changes in priorities. That way you need reports built, you need data right away. Also, better long-term scalability. Business requirements inevitably change. If you're self-sufficient, you can integrate new data, you can evolve your models without that external expertise. Other areas of the business where you might be able to use the platform. And the most obvious one is cost savings or greater ROI. If you're self-sufficient, you can continually onboard new use cases and drive adoption, bring in new data without incurring those additional services costs, which will help maximize the value of your investment. Now, the next thing is clients ask, well, how do I become self-sufficient? And what I've seen works well is three things that work together. The first thing is to identify a group of product champions or a group of champions. And by champions, I mean picking people who are curious, who want to learn new things, who want to become the experts. These are the people that are going to be your internal resources. They're going to help train others. And so you want people who are excited about that. And if you pick the right champions, these people will evangelize for you to get other people excited about becoming self-sufficient. The next thing is to invest in training. And I don't really mean dollar investments, though that could be a small piece, but time investment. So, a lot of times I hear a client say, oh, we're super busy, we're too busy for training, it's month end, quarter end, we're short staffed. But training takes time and focus. And if you can eliminate all the barriers to focusing on training early, that will pay off much later for you. And then once you've selected your folks for your champion, or you've selected your champions and you've sent them through training, then they're ready for the next thing. And what I see is the most effective way to become self-sufficient, and that's co-building. So you've got your vendor there, use them. Have them show you how to load the data, how to check for errors, how to validate the data. Also, in the beginning, have them give you non-time sensitive pieces of the project to work on. And when you're finished, have them review that and give you feedback. What worked really well? What could be changed to maybe have better performance or better maintainability or better best practices? And then move on to the next thing. As the project goes on, your skills will become more and more advanced. Practical experience builds confidence and accelerates your skill development. I'm not saying that you're going to become self-sufficient or completely self-sufficient in the first run of the project. But as the project goes over time, you'll be able to do more and more until you can do it all.